Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to create an account on TikTok. Before starting today's tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now, to create an account on TikTok, first of all, tap open TikTok app on your phone. Now, on the bottom right corner, you can see a small icon for profile. Tap on the icon. Now, we can see an option for login or sign up. Tap on the option. Now you can see 4 options to sign up for TikTok. Use your phone number or your email address, or continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Twitter. In this video, we will be learning how to create a TikTok account using your email address. So tap on use phone or email address option. Now enter your birth date and tap next. Review your date of birth if it is correct or not and tap on OK if it is correct. Now tap on next. Now, you can use 2 options to sign up to your TikTok account, your phone or your email address. In this video, we are using your email address. Tap on email option. Now, type your email address and tap on next. Now, solve the puzzle to verify your account. Do as instructed. Now, create your password and tap on next. Now, create your username and tap on sign up option. You have now successfully created your TikTok account. I hope this video helped you learn how to create your TikTok account. Do like and leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you.